Welcome to another video. There aren't many times when I'm happy, but when I say something and it starts proving right after a few days, I get pretty happy. I'm saying that because recently, OpenAI shared that they'll be launching SearchGPT, which is basically Perplexity, but directly from OpenAI. I got really happy because instead of a third party using their model and providing a wrapper for it, it's better that they do it themselves. I'm one of the people who has never liked Perplexity because they used to claim they do a bunch of stuff to generate results, and that's why they charge users $20. But actually, they are just a wrapper for GPT-4 with Google search results. Whenever I made a video about a local alternative to it, some brainwashed people would say, "Oh, nothing can beat Perplexity." But now, when OpenAI literally just did that, well, at least I'm happy. But I bet the investors of Perplexity won't be happy right now. Anyway, today's video is not about that. Today, I'll be telling you how you can set up a Perplexity clone locally on your computer with Llama-3.1. It's very similar to Perplexity, free, and fully local. Now, what will I be using to make it? I'll be using Perplexica to do it. It's super easy to set up, and we can integrate it with both Ollama and Groq. So, I'll show you how to configure it with Ollama using the Llama 3.18b model and Groq for the 70b model. I'll also tell you how you can use it with the 405b model towards the end of the video. Anyway, let's get started. First, go to Ollama. Click on the download button, choose your operating system, and get it installed. Once installed, go to the Models page. Now, select Llama 3.1 and copy the installation command. Paste it in your terminal, and the model will start getting installed. Once installed, you'll see this chat interface in your terminal. Send a message and check if it works. Now, we'll also need to install an embedding model in Ollama. To do that, just run this Ollama pull nomic embed text command. This will get the embedding model installed on your computer. Once done, go to docker.com. Now, download Docker, follow the on-screen instructions, and get it installed. We'll need this to install Perplexica. Once that's also done, go to Google. Search for Perplexica. Click on this GitHub link. Now, you'll see this page. Scroll down and copy this command. Now, open your terminal and paste it in there. This will get the repo cloned on your computer. Now, open the cloned folder in VS Code. Rename the sample config 2ml file to config 2ml. Once done, go back to the terminal. Now, cd into the cloned folder and run this command. This will create a Docker container for you and start it up as well. Once it's done, you can open up port 3000 in your browser, and you'll see this page. As you can see, it shows an error. Don't worry. Just go to the settings option and add this URL to Ollama API base URL. Once done, save it. Now, you'll see that this page opens up fine, but we still can't use it. So, go to the settings option. Now here, make sure you have selected Ollama, and in the model, choose Llama 3.1. In the embedding provider, choose Ollama, and then choose nomic embed text. Once done, we can now use it. Let's send a message over here. Okay, as you can see, it works fine. You get the articles, images, videos, and everything, which is kinda cool. You can also ask for follow-up questions here, which is also kinda cool. It has all the features that Perplexity has, which is also cool. It also has the same search features as Perplexity, like Reddit, YouTube, and other such stuff. There's also the Copilot toggle here, although I don't know what this does. You'll also see your past searches in this option as well. Anyway, if you don't want to locally host the LLM, but still use Perplexica, you can use Groq. Groq has added the Llama 3.18b and 70b models, and you can use it through API for free, but it will be a little rate limited. To configure it with Groq, just go to Google, search for Groq Cloud, sign up for an account, and in the API keys option, create an API key and copy it. Now, go back to Perplexica, open up Settings, and enter the API key here. Now, save it. Reopen the settings and change the provider to Groq. Now, select the Llama 3.1 model over here. Save it. Now, you can start using it with Groq, and you'll see the same speed as Perplexity, but with insanely better quality and for free. This is also a cool option if you don't want to host your own model, but still want to use it. Now let me also tell you how you can set it up with the 405B model. I'll be using TogetherAI for this since they give some free credits. Previously, it was $25 credits, but now they have reduced it to $5, I think. But that's fine, because you can still do about 100 requests with it based on the context and stuff. Anyway, go to Google, search for TogetherAI, sign up, and go to the Settings option. Here, you'll also see your free credits. Copy your API key. Now, go to Perplexica. Click on Settings and change the provider to custom OpenAI. Now, enter this URL as base URL and this model name and enter your API key here. Once you have done that and it looks like this, save it. Now you can start using it with Llama 3.1405b, which is obviously also cool. So, that's how you can set up your own Perplexity with Llama 3.1 for fully free and locally as well. Because ultimately, it's just an LLM and Google Search API. Also, this uses CRXNG as the search engine, which is also open source and gets installed directly when you install it. So, you won't need any API for the search as well, which is also really cool. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, consider donating to my channel through the Super Thanks option below. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.